Welcome to my YouTube channel, where today we're diving into the world of luxury on wheels, the 2026 GMC Savana motorhome, specifically the Gresh RV Strada Twin Ion, a masterpiece that combines power, innovation, and high-end comfort like never before. This isn't just a van, it's a luxury suite that moves wherever life takes you. Built on the strong foundation of the trusted GMC Savana platform and transformed by Gresh RV into something truly spectacular. From the outside, the Strada Twin Ion immediately stands out with its elegant modern design. The body maintains the classic Savana silhouette, but adds refined touches like chrome detailing, aerodynamic lines, and high-gloss paint finishes. The front fascia looks bold yet sophisticated, and the LED lighting around the vehicle gives it that upscale glow. But what makes this motorhome truly special is how Gresh RV has integrated craftsmanship and functionality into every inch of its design, giving you a perfect blend of style and utility. Under the hood, the GMC Savana-based Twin Ion is powered by a robust 6.6-liter V8 engine, paired with an advanced automatic transmission, delivering smooth performance whether you're cruising down highways or climbing mountain roads. What really sets the Ion and Twin Ion apart is its dual lithium-ion battery system, which allows you to run most onboard systems without the need for a generator. That means quiet operation, zero emissions while parked, and pure comfort even when you're off-grid. Now let's step inside, and this is where the Gresh RV magic truly shines. The interior is nothing short of stunning. You're greeted with handcrafted European cabinetry, soft touch walls, LED ambient lighting, and premium ultra-leather seating that feels like first-class travel. The layout of the Twin Ion is designed for both convenience and elegance, featuring twin beds that can easily convert into a large sleeping area, giving you flexibility for both daytime lounging and nighttime comfort. The kitchen is compact but fully equipped with luxury in mind. You get a solid surface countertop, induction cooktop, stainless steel sink, convection microwave, and a large refrigerator, perfect for preparing a full meal on the road. Every drawer and cabinet is soft closing, and the lighting adjusts automatically based on ambient brightness, adding to the refined experience. The bathroom continues the theme of efficiency and comfort, with a modern wet bath featuring a porcelain toilet, stainless steel fixtures, and a rainfall-style shower. It's compact, functional, and elegant, exactly what you'd expect from a high-end motorhome. On the tech side, the Twin Ion comes with a Firefly touch control system, allowing you to manage lighting, temperature, and power functions right from a central screen, or even through your phone. The entertainment system includes a smart TV, premium sound system, and high-speed Wi-Fi connectivity. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country adventure, the Gresh RV Strada Twin Ion, built on the GMC Savana chassis, delivers unmatched comfort, freedom, and style. It's proof that luxury and practicality can coexist beautifully in a compact, mobile package. If you love the idea of traveling without limits, this motorhome is your dream on wheels. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed reviews of the finest vehicles redefining road travel.